Hello, my name is Jeff Lammers, founder of Padstar Publishing, home of AppTutor apps. In this video, we'd like to talk about flipping the classroom. It's a pretty simple concept. As this illustration shows, the way we currently do it is the teacher will lecture to the class. It's a one-time shot, there's no going back, and if the child misses it, they miss it. They then go home and do their homework, usually on their own, and then they're evaluated through a test. In the flipped classroom, the students gain exposure to the new material at their own pace, usually through a professionally produced video. They then go to the classroom and interact with the material while their teacher and other classmates can help them master the subject. For this to work, you need the right tools. And we believe that apps offer a tremendously advantageous way to make this concept work. Let me give you some examples. Here's an example of a video lesson built into an app where a child can get exposed to new material and review it and learn it at his own pace.
When working with word problems, there are methods to use that can help solve the problem. I call mine the trust method because the steps spell out trust. T. Target the question. Circle it. R. Reread the word problem. U. Underline the important words. S. Solve the problem. T. Talk it over. Let's trust this word problem.
Now, if the following day the child were to go to the classroom and was able to work on these subjects at their own pace while the teacher watched and was able to help them if they had problems. Here is a module that allows a child to work through a word problem. They can listen to the problem, they can see and read the words to the problem, they can interact with the problem and make the problem come to life. And the magic here is on their own, they can turn a word problem into a math problem. Here is the rounding coach from the Place Value and Rounding app. It asks you to identify the place value, then which digit determines if you round up or down, and then solve the problem. You just can't do this on a whiteboard or in a textbook. If the teacher were watching and saw any child having problems, it is very easy for them to come in and assist the child and help them master the subject before they take the test. These are all examples of how an app can make homework come to life. Now, what if we added one other great feature? We call this the scoreboard. What if the teacher could in real time see how each child is progressing through any section of the app in the class? They could then individually help the child and improve their skills long before they're asked to take the test. Flipping the classroom is not a new concept, but for it to work, you need the right tools. And I think we've demonstrated here how apps can offer tools that just don't exist anywhere else. The ability for a child to watch a high-quality video at their own pace and get exposed to the material on their own, and then come to class, do their homework, experience the subject through quality modules that coach them through the material, with the teachers always available to help them when they're having trouble. We often don't assess kids until they take a test, but with these products like the scoreboard, teachers can watch which kids are having trouble and help them learn the subject before they take the test and have to move on to the next subject. If you have any questions, visit our website at apptutorapps.com. And we hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you again in the future. Thank you.